Alrighty, this is a video. Yesterday my brother contacted me and he had this device and he said that the audio no longer works and he wanted me to look at it. I don't know if he's used it before or if he just got it or what. I've never seen this thing, and he got it from wish.com, and it appears to be crap. If you read what it says here, it says perfect for DVDs, pictures, and more. Super bright LED technology, 20K hours, projects up to 60 inches. Convenient inputs, AV, USB, and SD. And on the side, turn any wall into a complete cinema experience. Here's the specs. Stereo input, lighting LED, RIC solution. They misspelled resolution, they put a C in place of the E. 320 by 240. Yes, 320 by 240. This would have been awesome in 1982. Brightness, 48 lumens. And it looks like someone barfed all over the package. Virtually silent cooling fan. Tripod compatible. Dual voltage power supply. I don't even want to know how much he paid for this thing. If it was more than $5, it's too much. I don't know why this is all incredibly dusty. Hell. Where has this thing been? Ah. Oh boy. Well, let's plug this thing in and see what it does. I don't know what this thing accepts in the way of an input. There's no manual with it. Okay, it's on. See what it says. Okay. Input. Oh, bugger. I need to set this up so I can look at it. Stand by a second. Okay, input, no signal. Alrighty then. So it's a really quick review and operating instructions for this Vivo digital ultrasonic cleaner. Model PS-30A, 1.6 liter. Well, let's see, it works. Ultrasonic cleaner. I'm going to switch cameras So you can see the quality of the picture of this thing. Stand by. Alright, so this thing is down converting basically a 1080p video to 320 by 240. Wow, that looks crappy. I don't know what the problem is. He says that the sound doesn't work, and it works fine. So let me go back to the other camera, and we're going to open this thing up. Okay. I bet these little holes are the screws that hold it together. Another screw. There's no brand name on this thing at all. It's got a skew, I'll put that in the description. It's a model UC28. What a piece of junk. Okay. Let's zoom in on that. Everything's pretty compact in here. Got one heck of a heat sink in this thing. I have a feeling that whatever the problem is has to do with the input of audio and not the output, because the output is working just fine. Well, that looks like it's just dirty. Well, in order to test this properly, I'm going to have to go get a something that can input an audio signal. I'm going to have to go get something. I'm going to have to text him and find out how he was using this. So I contacted my brother about this thing, and what he was actually doing is he was hooking up the HDMI on his laptop into the HDMI on this, and this thing doesn't seem to support HDMI audio. I can't find anything on the packaging that says it supports HDMI audio, and I don't have any real way of easily testing this. So that's it. This is a really quick video about this hunk of junk, and I'll see you guys later.